Let me show you how to end a phone call using the side button on your iPhone. Pretty simple. First of all, I want you to do this. Open your phone settings. When you open your phone settings and you scroll down to accessibility, okay, now I want you to tap the touch option right here. Okay, so when you touch the touch option, scroll down, you see this part of prevent lock to end call. There's a writing below which says that prevent the sign button from ending the phone call. So if this is turned on, whenever you press the side button, it will not end the phone call. So okay, so just toggle this off. Okay, so when you toggle this off, okay, and then probably you receive any phone call and you press the side button, it will end the phone call just like this. So you actually see right now you're receiving a phone call from bro MTN. So when you press the side button, it's going to end the phone call.